Welcome to our show,
where we teach you ways on how to determine slopes.
This is
To determine the slopes, let's find out what's the meaning of slope. So, slope is a way to express the steepness of a line in a precise mathematical way. It is also the ratio of vertical change to horizontal change. So, we have different types of slopes. We have a positive slope, represents a rise from left to right. We have a negative slope, means it's going down from left to right. We have an undefined slope, means that the x value is 0, so that we get a vertical line. We have a zero slope, means that the y value is 0, so we get a horizontal line.
The objective of the lesson is to determine slope by using 2 points, equation, and graph.
Slope using 2 points. For example, let's say we have two points, 15, 8, and 10, 7. First, we identify the 2 points, which is 15, 8, and 10, 7. Then, we select one to be x of y and y of 1. And then the other to be x of 2 and y of 2. So, let's take 15, 8 to be our x of 2 and y of 2. And let's take 10, 7 to be x of 1 and y of 1. Let's take 15, 8 to be our x sub 1 and y sub 1. Then let's take 10, 7 to be our x sub 2 and y sub 2. So 8 minus 7 over 15 minus 10. So just do the equation. 1 over 5. Which point you choose for x sub 1 and y sub 1 and x sub 2 and y sub 2, since you get the same answer. So 7 minus 8, 10 minus 15 equals negative 1, negative 5 equals y over 5. Example. So we have 3, 8 and 6, 6. So we use 3, 8 as our x sub 2 and y sub 2, and 6, 6 as our x sub 1 and y sub 1. So 8 minus 6 over 3 minus 6 equals 2, negative 3. So our answer is negative 2, 3. So if we switch it, 6 minus 8 over 6 minus 3 is negative 2 over 3. So we still have the same answer.
On how to determine slope using an equation. Here we have an example of an equation in standard form. First step is to make it in slope-intercept form. We need to transpose the 3x to the right side of the equal sign. So it will be 12y equals positive 3x plus 8. You divide 12 by itself and to the other side to make it y. 3 divided by 12 would be 1/4 x plus 2 over 3. And your slope would be 1/4. Example, 16x minus 4y equals 12. First thing to do is to transpose the 16x to the right side. So it will be negative 4y equals 16x, negative 16x plus 12. The next thing, you're going to divide it by negative 4. Y is equals to negative 16 divided by negative 4 would be 4x minus 3. Now your slope would be 4.
we have the graph. So in order to determine the slope, we use rise over run. So rise over run is equal to y So here we have the y-axis of -2 and the x-axis of 4. So what you want to do is count. So on the rise we have 1 over. Then on the run we have 1, 2, 3, 4. The rise is positive because we are going up, and the run is positive because we are going to the right. In the rise, we will count again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's our rise. It is negative because it is going down. Then on the run we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 6 because it is also going to the right. So this answer is not our final answer because it can be simplified. So it is -2 over 3. In this exercise, we have A for 2 points, B for equation, and C for graphs. So in the first exercise of 2 points, we have 3, 18 and 20, 5. On the second one, we have a pair of 5, 16 and 20, 5. In the letter B, we have 11x plus 9y equal 4. In the second one, we have 9x plus 4y equal to 21. On the graph, we have this graph. So what you will do in this graph is to use the rise over run. We can see slopes in our everyday lives. For example,
Stairs. The hallway. Wall.
see, hope you learned something.
On how to
Determine slopes.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.